look at that. Look at this.
Oh my god.
There's a house with its whole roof gone there.
Oh my god.
Flipping heck.
It's like this whole strip. Jeez.
Through there. That's probably what all the tin everywhere is.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, look at that mesh cage there. Where the heck did that come from? Flipping heck.
What's the stuff in the power lines?
Yeah, well, some of it's tin.
Hmm.
That's tin. That's tin wrapped around the power line.
Would that be why power's out?
Road, look at debris.
That's a shame. Took them forever to get it fixed after Yasi, and now it's like,
Wow.
wow, look at that thing up on the... What the hell is that?
Part of a roof, obviously. Holy crap. Don't videotape that, babe. There's people on the front lawn of the house.
Whoa, sorry, I can't see anything.
The roof and half the house is gone.
Oh my god. Oh,
Wow.
jeez. Gosh. This is really awful that a storm can do this. Oh my god. God. Poor Posty stuck in traffic.
Well, lucky we didn't put our bins out.
Parts of bins, oh my god.
Power lines down there.
Oh gosh. Look there.
That road. Oh, look at the power lines over there.
Oh my god.
Well, looks like this is the bit that got hit the hardest.